Karawhiu, he whai piro, Mamana Martin. E whakangungu kahana mo te kēmu e kainamu mai nei.
Leading into the game we had heaps of illness and injuries, but I thought the group did well in persevering through that and came out with a great result.
E tuki ana te kapa Canterbury Rams ki te kapa o Tauranga Whai hei tēnei wīkene. Ko pai haere tēnei terenga mā rātou, ko toa rātou ngā kēmu e whā, a kōtahi te hinga. Ko tā Martin, ko te aronga mā rātou i tēnei wā, ko te kaupare tāngata me ngā tūkanga.
Definitely just working to our processes. The Tauranga Whai are a great squad. I don't think they're standing on the leaderboard shows how actually good they are. As a group, we're locked in for the next matchup, just taking it one game at a time.
It's like still really early in the season and we're still trying to build that continuity and that chemistry on the floor, and yeah, we've had limited practice time, but like when we're gone we've got a lot out of it, so just trying to build on that.
Ko piri mai anō a ihaka Kate ki te kapa mo tōna terenga tuatoru. No te wā e kurainana a Kate, ko tū ia hei kai tākaro. I ēnei wā, ka taia e ia ki te aro ki aia anō me tōna ke kemu.
Coming from a year where I was wake up, go to school, attend speeches, always speaking in front of people, and then coming straight to training and then getting home, it was a bit like a cycle. And this year it is weird, but it's something that I've adjusted to. Yeah, I mean it's been really great to be able to have more time to focus on the Rams as well, and to really focus on the future for me.
E noho ana te kapa Canterbury Rams ki te taumata tuatoru o te tepu NBL. A ahakoa e kainamu mai nei te toinga o ngā kēmu, ko te whakapono a Kate, ka eke rātou ki te taumata, I eke ai rātou I te rātou.
It's the mentality, it's that connectivity as a team. Like we just have to be strong together, stay together, and I believe that we'll grab that one seed. So that's what we're trying to do. That's what we're trying to strive for. Our goal is to be the best team, both on both ends of the floor, offensively, defensively. We want to be physical. We just want to be the straight dogs of the league.
Ka peka atu te kapa Canterbury Rams ki Tauranga Moana hei tēnei hatarei. A ka atu te kēmu ki te taiwhanga o Queen Elizabeth Youth Centre hei te haurua mai I te tahi karaka I te ahiahi. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tauranga News.